Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd, Aquarius. Your cards are the Nine of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. So ang nakikita natin dito, Aquarius, medyo nagsisimula na siya, no? Or nagsisimula na siya uli. I-open yung puso niya sa'yo. Chances are nagkaroon kayo dito ng misunderstanding. I feel like with the Nine of Wands, parang nagkaroon ng nagkaroon ng awkwardness, no? Itong inyong pagtitinginan. Pwedeng may nasabi, may nagawa, and it felt like parang medyo nag-back off a bit. Pero with this, parang ngayon, itong March, parang i-open niya yung sarili niya. And parang let's try this again. Let's start from the scratch. I feel like nandun pa rin naman yung love with the Two of Cups. And parang dito ipagpapatuloy yung another chapter, no? Ninyong dalawa. So, napakaganda dahil believing in, chances nandito and believing in, whether this is organic encounter, whether this is talagang sadyang nandyan na, the love is still there. And with the Ace of Cups, parang sinasabi ditong dire-diretso, no? At may ipagpapatuloy. This is your quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.